To download the application, you can visit the official website or search for it on the Microsoft Store. Once downloaded, the application will appear on the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking on Start will bring up a quick tutorial introducing its features, such as a handy toolbox for accessing Windows tools like screenshots and more. After the installation, the main dashboard appears, where you can explore its capabilities. One key aspect to check is the resource usage of the app. Opening Task Manager reveals that the CPU usage is minimal, often between 0% and 3%, indicating that it's lightweight. However, its memory usage is about 118 megabytes, which may be concerning for systems with lower RAM. After running for some time, the memory usage seemed to drop, suggesting that the app optimizes its performance over time. The PC Manager dashboard includes features like PC Boost, which clears temporary files and improves memory usage with just one click. You can enable the Smart Boost feature to automatically optimize high RAM usage or delete temporary files exceeding 1 gigabyte. The app also offers a dark mode option, which is much easier on the eyes compared to the light mode. Under the Protection tab, you'll find options like virus and threat protection, and Windows Update, which redirect you to the default Windows security and update settings. The default browser settings feature makes it easier to manage your default browser compared to navigating through Windows settings. Additionally, the taskbar repair tool claims to fix common issues, though its exact functionality requires further exploration. The storage section provides a detailed view of your system's file usage and includes unique tools like a duplicate file finder, which identifies and removes duplicate files to free up space. This feature is particularly useful and not available in standard Windows settings. The app also integrates storage management features like Storage Sense, making it a convenient all-in-one platform. The app section includes tools for process management, startup app control, and application management, helping you close unnecessary background apps and optimize your system's performance. The toolbox offers quick access to basic utilities like screenshots, a notepad, a calculator, and even a feature to boost your PC with a single click. Finally, the Restore section provides recommendations to optimize and secure your PC, ensuring it runs efficiently. After monitoring its performance, the app showed minimal CPU usage and reduced memory consumption over time, making it a lightweight and efficient tool. In conclusion, Microsoft PC Manager is a reliable, safe, and user-friendly tool for basic PC cleaning and organization. Features like the duplicate file finder and the memory optimization tools make it a worthy addition to your system, especially since it's developed by Microsoft. If you're looking for a secure alternative to third-party cleaners, this might be the perfect solution for you. Let me know your thoughts about Microsoft PC Manager in the comments. Do you think it's worth using? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with others. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.